Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some excitement in the studio. So I did place an order with Flora's nail shop, which is, if you guys are not familiar, it's Talia's new nail shop. Yeah, and I got my package in today. So how fun is this? So I did want to come on and just show you guys what I got in it. First things first, she has these beautiful little mailers. They're absolutely so cute. So I did just crack that open. And here is the box. I'm not gonna lie, I was very tempted to open it, but I didn't. I wanted for you guys to see and do the first impression together. Super cute. A little thank you card. Crystal, thank you for your support, Talia. That's so sweet of her. Guys, this is all of her socials and stuff. Go check out the shop. She has a lot of like really nice varieties. Super cute. And I believe this is my business. Yes. So that is just my order slip. So cute. Love the packaging. Super cute. Hey guys, so what I ordered from Talia's shop is from Flora, I should say. Just call it what it is. So from Flora shop, nail shop. I got some clear jelly stuff, and then I got some nail clean stuff. So these are some stamping polishes. Kudos, love the way that everything is packed. So here we have some clear stamping polish. I wanted to try the clear because I really want to see about like doing it with chromes and stuff. So I figure that would work well. It does just have like almost a yellowy, cloudy type of, just cloudy really. So these are from Clear Jelly Stamper. They're so small. Everything looks bigger on TV, I suppose. So it's cute when you see it. You're like, oh. So that's the clear. And then I got the black. And then I also got a white. Yeah, so I just really wanted to go with the basics for now. See how I like them, and you can't go wrong with black and white. I think it's a must. And like I said, I've been looking for the clear, so I really wanted to get that for chrome and stuff. Super cute. Love. Then we're gonna stamp. I'm sorry, but that's the cutest little box in the world. I got the Big Bling. That is just like huge. I love it. So the Big Bling, and then, oh, it comes with like another stamper on the other side. If you want more of the small, and then you can take it off so you can see through and get your image. That is so cool. So we got the big bling. And then we got the double-ended one that I wanted to give a go. So sorry guys, my tummy is just having a heyday. Yeah, it's a little... It just needs to be wiped off. Careful you don't poke it too much with your nails, you will stab it. So that's a perfect size. Okay, it does come off. So now you can see what is going on. Yeah, that stamper is like a little damaged, but I think it just needs to be wiped off in all honesty. And then you have the cute little rhinestones there. And then you have like a baby one. So I really thought if I'm gonna give the clear jelly a go, I want to at least try out their stampers. As well as, like I said, the basic polish. I did not get any stamping plates in this run. But I'm gonna be honest, this will definitely not be my last run from the shop. I love what they're carrying, or what she's carrying, I should say. And it's harder to find stuff for me being in Canada, so for the shop to be a Canadian shop, it helps with shipping and stuff. So I got 3 of the Nail Queen Studio colored gels. These are all 5 ml. They're so tiny. But I've been wanting to give these a go, so I'm glad that she carries this brand, this line of products. They used to be so close to me and I was so excited, and then when I found them, they actually were in the process of relocating. So this is a gold. Ooh. That is a nice color. Let's just see. So these are supposed to be a gel. Yep. Not like a paint. So you're going to want to have a little bit of a medium consistency. I've actually never worked with Nail Queen Studio's products before. So this is quite nice. Beautiful. Good coverage. I like it. Oops. Let me just get a brush. Okay, I'm just going to pop that in the lamp. We will move on. But that is the color of it. It's absolutely beautiful. I wanted to get a good gold, and like I said, from what it looked, it did look quite nice. So I'm definitely happy with that. Okay, I also got a silver. Well, ain't that gorgeous? Almost looks like it has like a blue tinge to it. Okay. Take a little bit. Alright. I still find it does have a bit of a blue tinge. So it's not, in my opinion. Oh, it says silver glitz, so it's not just a straight silver, so it definitely has a little something in it, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have like just a smidge of a blue tinge to it. I will come back and I will turn on more of a potent light and see if that makes a bit of a difference here in a shake of a lamb. I would like just to show you the one last thing that I got, and this just because I really like the color, to be honest. The color looked absolutely gorgeous, so I wanted to see how it would be in person. All that glitter off of my brush. Grab me a swatch. And there we are. That is called Blushing Taupe. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see. Okay, so it has, let's say, like a medium to thin consistency. That is so pretty though. I think that'll be going on my nails next. Something nice and calm. So gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna hit that in the lamp. Alright. So these are the colors that I got. Just take a second here. Like this gold is just so gorgeous. So that is called Liquid Gold. And then we have this Silver Glitz, and it does have almost just a smidge of blue undertone. Absolutely gorgeous. You want to stay? And then, last but not least, we have this Blushing Taupe, which I think is just a beautiful color. It's just nice, soft hint of purple. And those are the colors that we got for the today. Like, this is all that we have from the shop. Oh, let's not forget the little scrapers. We have 2 scrapers as well. And then there. That is all. Guys, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul that I wanted to bring to you guys. Like I said, it is just from a new nail shop. It's called Flora's Nail Shop. So make sure you guys go check her out. Like I said, if you guys know of Talia's Nail Studio, that's it's her shop. So if you've ever watched her stuff, then that is what she has going on right now. But yeah, I decided to order from her and I am not disappointed. I love the products that I got in, so thank you so much, Talia. And this is it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share with a friend. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!